In this video, we will be demonstrating how to change a shower valve. Turn off main water shutoff. Remove tub spout. Remove handle assembly. Remove access panel. If no panel is present, you will need to cut the wall for access panel placement moving forward. Remove all 4 lines from shower valve. Remove existing shower valve. Install new shower valve by reconnecting each of the 4 lines. Reinstall tub spout and handle assembly. Turn water back on. Check for leaks. Reinstall access panel. Thanks for watching.